अस्सलाम वालेकुम सामीन। लर्नर कम्पिटेटिव एग्ज़ाम में एक बार फिर आपको खुश आमदीद कहते हैं। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस बेसिक कंप्यूटर मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। इसका हम पार्ट फर्स्ट आज डिस्कस करेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हु इज़ कॉल्ड एज फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स? चार्ल्स बेबेज। द फर्स्ट डिजिटल कंप्यूटर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड was named as Mark 1. How many generation computer can be classified? 5. First generation computers contain vacuum tube. Second generation computer made of transistors. Fourth generation computers contain LSI. Fifth generation computer based on artificial intelligence. Computer combine both measuring and counting are called hybrid. In world today, most of computer are digital. In any computer installation, how many elements consist? 3. Physical structure of computer is called hardware. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. In which type of computer data are represented as discrete signal? Digital computer. Which of following is available in the form of PC now? Microcomputer. Prem is an example of supercomputer. Who developed the analytical engine? Charles Babbage. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. The time taken by CPU to retrieve and interpret the instruction to the executed is called as instruction cycle. Which of following is responsible for all type of calculation? ALU. Which of the following is permanent memory? ROM. The metal or plastic case that holds all the physical parts of the computer is the system unit. CD-ROM stands for compact disk read-only memory. ALU stands for arithmetic logical unit. VGA stands for video graphics array. IBM 1401 is second generation computer. MSI stands for medium scale integrated circuits. WAN stands for wide area network. MICR stands for magnetic ink character reader. 1 byte consists of 8 bits. Which of the way to access secondary memory? Random access memory. UNIVAC stands for Universal Automatic Computer. Brain of any computer system is CPU. Storage capacity of magnetic disk depends on disk pack in disk surface. Two kinds of main memories are ROM and RAM. A storage area used to store data to compensate for the difference in speed at which the different units can handle data is buffer. Computer is free from tiresome and boredom. We call it diligence. Which type of computers uses the 8-bit code called EBCDIC? Mainframe computers. The ALU of a computer responds to commands coming from control section. Chief component of first generation computer was vacuum tubes and valves. To produce high quality graphics hard copy in color, you would want to use a plotter. 1 millisecond is 1/1000th of a second. The output quality of a printer is measured by dot per inch. Which of following was a special purpose computer? ABC. Which of following storage device can store maximum amount of data? Hard disk. which computer was considered the first electronic computer until 1973 when court invalidated the patent. ENIAC, a physical connection between the microprocessor, memory, and other parts of the microcomputer is known as address bus. High-density double-sided floppy disks could store of data 44 MB. A high-quality CAD system uses the following for printing, drawing, and graphs. Digital plotter. The accuracy of the floating point numbers representable in two 16-bit words of a computer is approximately 16 digits. What is the name of the board? Motherboard. In most of IBM PCs, the CPU, the device, drivers, memory expansion slots, and active components are mounted on a single board. A technique used by codes to convert an analog signal into a digital bit stream is known as pulse code modulation. Regarding a VDU, which statement is more correct? It is a peripheral device. A modern electronic computer is a machine that is meant for input, storage, manipulation, and outputting of data. When was vacuum tube invented? 1906. Computer with 8286 microprocessor is 8 computers. Digital computers was developed primarily in USA. Software in computer enhance the capability of hardware machine. Arranging of data in logical sequence is called sorting. Responsibility of the logical unit in the CPU of a computer to compare number. Abacus was first mechanical calculator. If in a computer 16 bits are used to specify address in RAM, the number of address will be 65,536. Instruction and memory address are represented by binary code. Terminal device that function as cache register, computer terminal, and OCR reader is the POS terminal. Set of flip-flops integrated together is called register, which is used for manufacturing chip semiconductor. The first computer introduced in Nepal was IBM 1401. Mnemonic, a memory trick, is used in which of following language, assembly language. A register organized to allow to move left or right operations is called shift register, which was the most popular first generation computer, IBM 650. Set of information that defines the status of resources allocated to a processor is process description. Each set of Napier's bones consisted of rods 11. BCD stands for binary coded decimal. When was the world's first laptop computer introduced in the market and by whom? Epson in 1981. From which generation operating system were developed? Third generation. First firm to mass market a microcomputer as a personal computer was Radio Shack. How many address lines are needed to address each machine location in a 2048 multiply 4 memory chip 11? Properly arranged data is called information. John Napier invented logarithm in 1614. Integrated circuit is fabricated on a tiny silicon chip. Following memory medium is not used as main memory system. Magnetic tape. Computer operator operate the device which input and output data from the computer. Computers are also called personal computer, microcomputers. Following is machine independence program, high level language. First electromechanical computer developed in 1944. Analog computer works on the supply of continuous electrical pulses. BIOS is the abbreviation of Basic Input Output System. Most of first generation computers were special purpose computer. Which year was UK's premier computing event started? 1980. What is date when Babbage conceived analytical engine? 1837. What type of control pins are needed in a microprocessor to regulate traffic on the bus in order to prevent two devices from trying to use it at the same time? Bus arbitration. Whereas a computer mouse moves over the table surface, the trackball is stationary. Following is used as primary storage device. Magnetic drum. Multi-user system provided cost saving for small business because they use a single processing unit to link several dumb terminals. The word processing task associated with changing the appearance of a document is formatting. When was Pascal invented? 1642. What is required when more than one person uses a central computer at the same time? Terminal. The term gigabyte refers to 1024 megabyte. What was the expected feature of fifth generation computer when Japan started FGCS, parallel processing? Which of following memory medium is not used as the main memory system? Magnetic tape. सामीन, ये कंप्यूटर के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन थे। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर नए टॉपिक के साथ मिलेंगे। तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।